Here is the final sculpture of the mermaid. I will be scanning this, putting it up on my Cold 3D. So if you enjoy 3D printing, make sure you check that out. Also check out my Patreon. I put up content including the type of images that I use up there. I'm going to start using live models in the future as well. And I'll be putting up references, photos up there so all you guys could use. But I think the mermaid idea, I'm not sure if it's successful. So post up in the comments below if you prefer the mermaid or the regular woman reclining. In a way, I like the regular woman reclining, but once in a while you want to do something that stretches your imagination. The skull, of course, it's supposed to be like a symbolism of maybe a sailor that died. I was thinking about putting a rope tangled around her, but you know what, it might be a little bit too busy. So I got the seashells, and I did put a little treasure chest right there. So this is what it looks like when it's wet. So in the next video that I do, I'm going to show you what happens. I'm going to let this dry 1 or 2 days on the actual board. I'm not going to remove it. If you notice, I have a plastic bag over my board, and that keeps the water from dripping into the board, warping the board. But also, once this dries, it should be able, you're going to be able to peel the sculpture directly from the plastic bag, flip it over, finish scooping a little bit of the clay so you can fire it, and that's it. You don't have to do much. Water-based clay is one of these type of things that works really well if you're a new sculptor, because you can do tons of these. You can do, and it's almost free. It actually is free. You can go to your backyard and most likely you're going to hit some form of clay. I'm going to be doing a video. I'm going to go into a creek bed. I'm going to dig my own clay. I'm going to show you guys how to make your own clay. But in the next few videos, I think I'm going to do, and I'm going to switch up to oil-based clay and maybe even wax. And I'll be doing some more wood sculpture. But that's it. That's the mermaid. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, give us a like, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. We're starting to grow. We're almost at 15,000 subscribers. So I really appreciate that about the new growth that the channel is having. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next sculpture.